Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to draw Charizard, the most popular starter from Pokemon universe. First, change the background color to gray. Then, create new layer for the rough sketch. It's okay if you make it a little bit messy. This phase is a part of training for you to imagine how the character will be. It also train your hand to draw shapes more steady. Remember that practice makes improvement. You can add more layers to create some details. You can always merge the layers in the end. The clearer you made the sketch, the easier it will be when you create the final outline. Now the sketch is perfect, time to make the outline layer. Turn down the opacity of sketch layer to 40%. Then, add new layer for the outline layer. You can start from anywhere you like. In this phase, you must pay attention to proportion and details. The outline is done, time to color it. First, set the outline layer as reference. Place the outline layer above every other layer. Then, create new layer for the mid-tone color. Make one layer for one color, so that you can easily change it in the end. When you're done with the mid-tone's color, add new layer for the shadow tone. Place it above the mid-tone color layers and set it as clipping mask. Remember that one layer for one color. In this phase, you must imagine about where the light will come from. You do that, then you will know where the darker or the lighter part of the character. Coloring is the most important part of drawing. Good coloring will make the character alive. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching and learning. And see you in the next video.